Hello, Magnum owners of the world. I am in a baffling situation, which you may have seen already. I changed the battery. I had trouble with other things. Anyway, got a new battery in. Thought, oh yeah, we're all good. And when I have the car running, it's all charging. It's all happy. It's all dandy. By the way, over here is my old battery. Well, earlier this morning, I came out to start the car, and it wouldn't start. I had checked the voltage yesterday. It was like 12.5, and then I checked, and it was, somewhere above 11, and it just said, no, sorry, you're not starting. So, somewhere, oh, and you know what, here's the ironic thing, here's supposedly the bad battery. I've connected jumper cables from it to what supposedly is the new battery, the good battery, and the car started. So somewhere there is something that is draining. It is, and I don't know what it is. I've checked the lights, and actually when I leave the car I always make sure that the lights are turned right down. I've got nothing plugged into any of the cigarette lighters. It does have this sort of remote starting system thing, but I think that came with the car. I found the manual, which was not very helpful and not very, extensive. So I'm kind of baffled as to why it is that this car with a new battery keeps on getting drained. So if anybody has any suggestions at all, I would be greatly happy to hear them. I figure what I'm going to do tonight, because the other thing I was having trouble with was my battery charger. It was, some new fangled battery charger that likes to think a lot, and the meter on it was just going ting, 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 not always, but it was going into crazy mode, so I said, oh, enough of that. So I got, off of Kijiji, an old 4-amp battery charger that doesn't think, it just charges. And life is good. It charges really well. But the car still goes dead overnight, or maybe over a couple of nights. I really haven't charted it, but I'm still baffled. But I'm glad that I had the old battery still here. So I figure what I'm going to do tonight, because of course during the day electricity rates are higher, is I will connect the old battery charger, and I will let it charge, and I'm sure for tomorrow we're fine. But after that, well, I'm hoping to keep this one, which is supposedly the bad battery, which may be good, nicely charged. There we go. Turn the car off so I can jump it. And now I can look at what is the voltage on the new battery. 12.5 and dropping a little bit. Anyway, if anybody with a Magnum or any other car of a similar type has any suggestions as to what could be drawing down and leaving me unable to go, that would be great. So, as I was saying, tonight I will put on the battery charger so that we are not stranded yet again. Thank you for any input, any insights, any wisdom. Bye for now.